In order to speed up your workflow in Pixlr E, you can utilize the shortcut keys. For example, if I were to go on to the marquee select tool right here, you can see that I can select this out. I can press Ctrl C on my keyboard, and then if I were to press Ctrl V, then I paste it out. So instead of going out onto the edit menu time and again, you can utilize the shortcut keys to do the same thing with quite a bit of speed right here. Similarly, to know the shortcut keys, you can hover around onto the tools. Let's say, for example, for one select is the W tool. So if I were to press W on my keyboard, you can see that one is selected. And similarly, I can go around over here onto the menus, and to know what the shortcut keys are, you can see that on the right hand side for undo, it's Ctrl Z. So if I were to press Ctrl Z on my keyboard, the undo is executed. And similarly, under layer, you can see that there's merge down is Ctrl 6 and so forth. Not all of the tools have shortcut keys. For example, for duplicate, there's no shortcut, but for the ones that there are shortcut keys for, you can utilize them just by seeing what they are. So you can see right here. For adjustment, there's hue and saturation Ctrl U. For curves, it's Ctrl M. For level, it's Ctrl L, and so forth. And that is how you can use shortcut keys inside of Pixlr E to speed up your workflow. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.